Hi guys, welcome to the Elizabeth top tutorial. This top is incredibly fun to make. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reversible top with puffy sleeves and a squared neckline. Elizabeth is basically 3 patterns in one. Besides the reversible top, you can also make it as a dress. You can find the tutorial linked down below as well as the pattern. First, you need to sew the entire bodice part of the Elizabeth dress. You can find the tutorial linked down below. It's really important that you don't attach the zipper to this top. The hem and the center back should have a raw edge as well. Now, to prepare the back of the top, we're going to cut some inches off the center back. In this case, I cut off 6 centimeters. I recommend you don't cut more than 6. It is a reversible top, and then the opening from the front could be too big. Next, we're going to finish the hem. Place both the lining and the main panel facing each other, as you can see in the video. Next, pin them together. Make sure all the darts and the seam allowances match. Stitch all over the hem, leaving a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Flip it insides out and press open the seam you just made for a more polished look. To finish off the center back, you need to fold the edges into the top. Make sure to press them in place. For the straps, I made them with matching fabric, and I made 6 of them. Attach 3 straps to each side. The first one should go right at the top of the center back. The second one about 18 centimeters down. And the third one right in the middle of the first 2. Stitch over the entire center back on both sides. Okay, so you're almost done with the top. You just need to finish the edges of each strap. I helped myself with my seam ripper and folded the edges into the same strap. I then stitched over them so they don't fold right back out. This top is incredibly fun to make. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reversible top with puffy sleeves and a squared neckline. Thank you so much for watching the video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to us. And if you want to get the Elizabeth pattern, the link is in the description down below. Bye everyone, see you next time.